Ever wondered why your skin problems persist despite trying numerous skincare products? Could the ancient science of Ayurveda hold the answer? Ayurveda, a holistic health system rooted in India over 5,000 years ago, provides a unique lens through which we can understand our skin. Instead of looking at skin types, Ayurveda considers our prakriti, or our unique constitution, which dictates our physical, physiological, and psychological character and disease vulnerability. Common skin issues like acne, dry skin, and oily skin are often indicators of an imbalance in one of the three doshas, Vata, Pitta, or Kapha. But fear not, Ayurveda offers an array of natural remedies to restore balance and improve skin health. By understanding our prakriti, we can tailor our skincare routine to suit our unique needs, using ingredients that are as nourishing to our skin as they are to our bodies. Prepare to unlock the wisdom of Ayurveda for your skin's health. In Ayurveda, your skin type depends on your prakriti, or constitution. It can be Vata, Pitta, or Kapha. These prakritis represent the unique blend of physical, emotional, and mental characteristics that define you. First, let's talk about Vata. Vata skin is typically dry and rough. It's often thin and cool to the touch. If you have Vata skin, you might notice a tendency towards fine lines, dry patches, and a lack of luster. Next, we have Pitta. Pitta skin tends to be sensitive and can be warm to the touch. It's prone to redness, inflammation, and blemishes. If you're a Pitta type, your skin might be prone to freckles and moles. Lastly, there's Kapha. Kapha skin is usually oily and can be prone to acne. It's often thick, soft, and more tolerant of the sun. Kapha types may struggle with enlarged pores, blackheads, and oily skin issues. Understanding your prakriti is crucial for effective skincare. It helps you tailor your skincare routine to your unique needs, achieving a vibrant, healthy complexion that truly reflects your inner balance. Now that you know your prakriti, let's move on to some Ayurvedic face mask recipes tailored for each skin type. Embrace the power of nature with these simple DIY Ayurvedic face mask recipes. Let's begin with a nourishing mask for Vata skin types. Vata tends to be dry, so this mask is designed to provide deep hydration. You'll need 1 tablespoon of raw honey, known for its humectant properties, and a teaspoon of ghee, a clarified butter that is deeply moisturizing. Mix these two ingredients together until you have a smooth paste. Apply this to your face, leaving it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Next, we have a soothing mask for Pitta skin types. Pitta skin can be sensitive and prone to inflammation, so this mask is all about calming and cooling. You'll need 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, a natural anti-inflammatory, and 1 tablespoon of rosa water, known for its soothing properties. Combine these ingredients until they form a gel-like consistency. Apply this to your face and let it sit for 20 minutes before washing it off with cool water. Lastly, for our Kapha friends, we have a detoxifying mask. Kapha skin tends to be oily and prone to acne, so this mask aims to purify and balance. You'll need 1 tablespoon of neem powder, a potent antibacterial, and a teaspoon of turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Mix these ingredients with enough water to form a paste. Apply this mask to your face and let it sit for about 10 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Remember, consistency is key with these masks. Use them once or twice a week, and you should start seeing results in a few weeks. And of course, ensure you're also maintaining a balanced diet and lifestyle, as Ayurveda is all about holistic wellness. These masks, used consistently, can help address your skin concerns and reveal healthier, glowing skin. So go ahead, give them a try, and let the wisdom of Ayurveda transform your skincare routine. So there you have it, Ayurveda's natural solutions for common skin problems. We've delved into the heart of Ayurvedic wisdom, exploring the concept of prakriti and its 3 types, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Understanding your unique prakriti is the first step towards achieving healthy, radiant skin. We've also been through the importance of recognizing your specific skin type. Whether it's acne-prone, dry, or oily, Ayurveda offers a wealth of natural remedies tailored to your needs. Then, we've journeyed together into the world of Ayurvedic face mask recipes. We've discovered how everyday ingredients like turmeric, honey, and rosewater can transform into potent skin solutions, tackling everything from stubborn acne to persistent dryness. These aren't just quick fixes, they're a lifestyle change, a path to embracing natural, holistic wellness. Remember, true beauty comes from within, and Ayurveda helps you achieve just that. Here's to a healthier, happier skin.